Alden, it's your update. Nag-video call. And si Ninong Alden, saka inaanak niya si Abiano. Ayan, cute pa nga eh. Saka ito pa, may event ni Alden.
The BDO for special offers from March 17 to April 25, and also promos will be available in BDO Unibank and BDO Network Bank branches in Davao. And don't forget on April 26 to drop by sa BDO's Fiesta at the Atrium at SM Lanam Premier for games and prizes starting 10 a.m. And also, I can't wait to see all of you sa Davao SMX Convention Center also on April 26 at 3 p.m. Kaya sa mga ka-BDO nating Davaoeños, see you po dyan, and ingat kayo.
Inabangan si Alden dyan. Saka ito pa yung abangan. Ayan, full reveal on April 27 sa All Out Sundays. Stars on the floor. Ayan, bagong project ni Alden. Yun, ito pa yung IG story ni Alden. Ayan, prayer room at Viberverse. Saka ito pa ang IG story niya. Soon, may mga gagawin ni Alden. Soon. Inabangan na lang. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard the Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.